Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vikas Nisar. So in today's video, we're going to see operations on a signal. So in this video, I have taken a unit step function, one of the signal. So already we have discussed the u of t signal, that is a u of t is equal to 1 for t is greater than equal to 0 and 0 for t less than 0. Means in unit step function having the one amplitude for t greater than equal to 0. So my task is I have to apply different operations on this unit step functions. So how to apply this? First operation that I'm going to apply, for example, if I have to write t plus 2 signal, so how to write this signal? So t plus 2 is nothing but basically equal to 0. So t is equal to minus 2. So as per this example, we can understand that I have to delay that signal. Means I have to transfer that signal by a minus 2. Means that signal automatically start from the minus 2. So the meaning is nothing but that I have taken t plus 2 is nothing but defining that signal should start from minus 2. Means basically this type of shifting is called as a time shifting, but the name of this time shifting is called as a delay delayed signal. Why? Because that signal is starting from minus 2 because is shifted by the minus 2. So that's why it's called as a delayed time shifting. The amplitude becomes same whatever the amplitude is original one amplitude. So this is one of the time shifting example. For example, second, suppose if I have write t minus 3. So mathematically, if I see t is equal to 3, means I have to shift that signal by the 3. Means what? If I draw that signal, u of minus t minus 3, then that signal should be start from 1, 2, 3 onwards, and their amplitude become 1. So the meaning of this signal is nothing but that u of t minus 3 equal to 1 for t is equal to greater than equal to 0. So we are getting the amplitude 1 for t greater than equal to 0. So in that case, this particular time shifting is called as a advanced time shifting because we are shifting that signal in advance, in a not in a delayed form. Delayed means what? We are shifting from minus 2, but here I am shifting that signal that from 3 onwards. So basically it's called as a advanced time shifting. Next another one example. If I have to draw minus t, so I have to draw it. If you think about this minus t as compared to original signal, then you can understand that just I have taken the mirror image. So you can also call as a folding signal. Folding is nothing but I have to just fold the signal. Means whatever the original signal is there, that starting from 0 to whatever the last value, so that signal I have to fold. Fold is nothing but just I have to reverse that signal. Means the time will reverse, but amplitude becomes same. That is nothing but 1. So just if you compare both signals, just I have taken the mirror image of that, folding image of that u of minus t. Next, if I have to draw the another one operation. For example, if I take u of 2 2 into u of t. So what is the meaning of these operations? The meaning of this operation is nothing but I have to amplify my amplitude. So because of these operations, my amplitude will be amplified by the 2. The meaning is nothing but whatever the amplitude is there for every time, that amplitude will be amplified by multiplication by. So for each and every time I will get amplitude for that particular signal. So that's why it's called as a amplitude amplification. So basically the amplitude is increases by 2. Next, if I have to draw another one signal, for example I have to draw another one signal, for example 1/2 into u of t. So what is the meaning of this? Again the same meaning is there. I have to divide the amplitude by the 2. So whatever the divided value is there, so through that value I have to decrease my I have to compress my amplitude. So initially I have the amplitude 1. So whenever I divide by 2, it will get the amplitude 0.5. So at each and every time period, my amplitude become 0.5 because I divided by the 2. Okay, so you can call this type of operation is called as a um, compression. Compression of what? Amplitude. Okay, so again next one, next operation. If I write, if I write, if I write u of 2t for example, means what? Just I am multiplying by the 2 to the time, but it looks like that I am increasing the time, but in practically the my time is not increasing, my time is decrementing because 2t is nothing but that I have to compress that signal. Time compress means whatever the amplitude for each and every time period is there, that time will be compressed by the 2. So each and every time I have to divide by the 2. So whatever the time is 1, so I will get a 0.5, and for that 0.5 I will get a 1 amplitude. Means amplitude becomes same, only the time will be compressed. For example, my signal is up to 10, then if I divide by each and every time, that in that case I will get that signal only for t equal to 5 because each and every time will be compressed. So I hope now you understand different operations. Now next one, most important thing that we are going to see, there is another one operations. Most important most important operation that we are going to see is nothing but, for example, there is one signal u of t plus 2. Yeah, just I will change the signal. If I write minus t plus 2, so what is the meaning of this signal? How to draw this signal? Whenever you have to draw this signal, in that case always one of the important thing is nothing but first you have to shift the signal, and the second one delay signal. Okay, sorry, first you have to shift the signal and then you have to force the signal. Means what? Whenever we have this type of example, first you have to draw you have to draw u of t plus 2. So how we can draw the u of t plus 2? This is nothing but delayed signal, because you have to shift that minus 2. So that signal will start from minus 2 onwards, minus 2, minus 1, 0, like this, and the amplitude become 1. And just you have to write a mirror image of that, because I have to write minus t plus 2, means I have to reverse that signal. So how we can write? Just write a mirror image, a folded signal of that. So it will start 2, 1, 0, like this. So it's a mirror image basically. So in that case, always is very important that you first shift the signal and then reverse the and then fold the signal. Also you can write, there is another one example. Suppose you have to write u of minus t minus 2. So how we can write? Again same thing, first shift the signal and then fold the signal. So how we can write? First you have to write u of t minus 2. So automatically we know that t is equal to 2. So that signal will shift to the 2. Again the amplitude becomes same, there is a 1. And after that, after that fold that signal. After that fold that signal. So how we can fold that signal? So directly it will write a mirror image. So how we can write a mirror image of this? So mirror image become, so how we can write mirror image of this? So mirror image become that of that signal is nothing but u of minus t minus 2. The how we can write a mirror image? So mirror image is nothing but this is a mirror image. Just I have to change the time. Okay. So always important that first shift the signal and then fold. It's very important rule in operation. So that's it. If you think that this video is helpful for your study purpose, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video so that it will help to other student to understand whatever the operation techniques on signals. So in next lecture we're going to see a ramp functions and the operations on a ramp. So thank you everyone.